Hello students, good morning. Today is 2nd July 2020. This is your chapter number 4, Factors and Multiples. This is your page number 1 of today's class. Okay. Students, yesterday I have taught you which number has been divisible by 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So now we want to continue it. Which type of the number we will be divisible by 5. Okay. Now, rules relates from the divisible by 5. It means which type of the number will be divisible by 5. Listen carefully. If the ones number is 0 or 5, if any number, if the ones digit is 0 or 5, so that number is divisible by 5. So you can write it also. If any number ends in 0 or 5, you can also tell it if the ones number is 0 or 5, so that number will be divisible by, so that number will be divisible by 5. Clear students? For example, the number, I want to take one example, 50. One's number is 0, number is 430. Here one's number is 0. If any number will be related on the 7565, so that number will be divisible by 5 also, because one's number is 5, because it will be ends with the 5, and here the number will be ends with 0, so that type of the number will be easily divisible by 5. Clear students? Now students, next is divisible by 6. It means which type of the number can be easily divided by 6. So look here, if any number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, so that type of the number will be divisible by 6 also. It means if we want to divide any type of the number and that number will be divisible by both digits, it means 2 or 3 दोनों से divide होगा कोई number, so after that number will be divisible by 4. So you can write it here. If any number is divisible by both 2 and 3, so that number is divisible by 6 also. Okay. If you want to take any example, so I want to take the example. For example, 72. Here you can see it. You know the rule of the 2. If one's number is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, so that number will be divisible by 2. So here the number, one's number is 2, so it means that number will be divisible by 2. And you know the rule of 3. I have told to you yesterday, the sum of the digits will be divisible by 3, so that number will be divisible by 3 also. So 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. 9 will be divisible by 3, so that number, it means 72 will be also divisible by 3. It means 72 is that number that has been divisible by 2 and 3 both. So 72 will be also divisible by 6 also. Okay. There are some another number also, as like for example 198. Okay. Then after that 4, 8, 5, 4, etc. So these types of the numbers will be divisible by 2 and 3 both. So these number will be also divisible by 6. Clear students? Now next rule will be related on the divisible by 8. Divisible by 8. Okay. If the last 3 numbers is divisible by 8, so that number is divisible by 8 also. Okay. For example, if you want to take any example, so you can tell it also. For example, 4, 6, 8, 4, 8. Okay. So last 3 digits are here 848. Okay, so 848 will be divisible by 8. So at that time, that number, it means 46,848 will be also divisible by 8. Okay, so you can also take some example more. Okay, clear students? It means last 3 digit यानी 1 10 100 3 digit last के जो है उनका जो नंबर आ रहा है अगर वो आपका 8 से डिवाइड हो रहा है, so that number, it means that complete number will be also divisible by 8. Clear students? Any doubt? If you have any doubt, then you can ask the query without any type of the hesitation. Okay, so now next page, page number 2. Page 2, divisible by 9. Divisible by 9. It means which type of the number will be easily divisible by 9? Listen, if the sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 9, so that number is also divisible by 9. Okay, for example, I want to take one example here. Example is 693. Here the digits is 6, then plus 9 plus 3. So after that, when we want to count it, so 6 plus 9, 15, 15 plus 3, 18. So as you know, 18 will be easily divisible by 9, 9 to the 18. So it means that number, it means 693 will be also divisible by 9. So here you can write it here, sum of the digits are 18. Okay, 18 is divisible by 9, so 693 is also divisible by 9. Here students, then at last, divisible by 10. Divisible by 10. It means, how can you find out which number will be easily divisible by 10? So remember, it is so simple. If any number ends in 0, it means the one's number is 0. So that number will be divisible by 10. Okay, for example, you can write some example as like 5670, 480, 45,780, etc. Clear students? So these are the methods how can you divide that type of the number without without applying the division. यानी आप बिना डिवाइड करे आप इस मेथड के थ्रू आप इजी वे में फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो कि कौन सा नंबर इजी वे में आपका डिवाइड होगा. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? नाउ आई वांट टू कंटिन्यू द एक्सरसाइज नंबर 2. ओके, सो एक्सरसाइज 2. So now students, question number 1 of exercise 2. Question number 1, it has been given, put a tick on the numbers that are divisible by A. A question has been given 2. Numbers has been given 21, 76, 123, 224 and 5696. So students, listen carefully. Students, you know the method that will be divisible by 2, divisibility by 2. It means आपको हमने ये कल की क्लास में 1 जुलाई की क्लास में आपको हमने पढ़ाया था कि which type of the number will be divisible by 2. So listen carefully. If the ones number is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then that number will be divisible by 2, otherwise no. Okay, अगर आपका वंस नंबर क्या है, 0 है, 2 है, 6 है, 4 है, 0 है, 2 है, 4 है, 6 है, 8 है, देन वो नंबर डिविजल होगा 2 से, अदरवाइज नहीं होगा. सो हियर यू कैन सी इट 21. One's number is 1, so it means that number will not be divisible by 2. Here another number is 76. In 76 the one's number is 6, so it means that number will be divisible by 2. Okay, so put the tick mark here. Then another number is 123. In 123 the one's number is 3, so that number is not been divisible by 2. Okay, here 224, the one's number is 4, so it means that number will be also divisible by 2. Next number is 5696, the one's number is 6, so it means that number will be also divisible by 2. It means 76, 224 and 5696 will be divisible by 2. Clear, students? Now students, this is your page number 3rd of today's class. B part of question number 1, 5, and the number has been given 56, 65, 160, 745 and 5551. Okay, so listen students, here the number has been given 5. It means which type of the number will be divisible by 5. So how can you find out it? Listen carefully. I have taught to you in this time which type of the number will be divisible by 5. I told to you, if any number ends in 0 or 5, so that number will be divisible by 5. Okay, it means if the one's number of any type, one's digit of any type of the number is 0 or 5, so that number will be easily divisible by 5. So here you can see it, 56, first number. In 56, what is the one's number? 6, so it means that is not divisible by 5. Here another number is 65, the one's number is 5, it means that number will be divisible by 5 because one's number is 5. Another number 160, in 160 the one's number is 0, it means that number will be also divisible by 5. Then third number 745, one's number is 5, so it means that number will be also divisible by 5. Another number 5551, here the one's number is 1, so that number is not related from the 0 or 5, so it means that number will not be divisible by 5. It means 5 से हमारा वही नंबर डिवाइड होगा जिसका वंस नंबर या वंस डिजिट 0 होगा या 5 होगा, अदर कोई नंबर हमारा 5 से डिवाइड नहीं होगा. So here we have find out 65, 160 and 745 will be divisible by 5. Clear students? So now students, C part. In C part the number has been given 10, it means the divisible by 10. Numbers has been given 85, 108, 940, 605 and 3580. Okay students, so I taught to you, if the one's number is 0, so that number will be divisible by 10. So here you can see one's number is 5, it means that number is not divisible by 10. Another thing, the next number is 108. In 108 the one's number is 8, so it means that number is also not divisible by 10. Next number 940, one's number is 0, it means that number will be divisible by 10. Next number is 605, here the one's number is 5, so that number is not divisible by 10. Next number is 3580, the one's number is 0, so that number is also divisible by 10. Okay students, if you have any doubt then you can also ask the query. Okay students, now question number 2. In question number 2 it has been given, put a tick on the numbers that are divisible by a point. So here students, number divisible by 3 has been given and the numbers has been given 51, 73, 127, 233 and 6598. So students, you know about the method which type of the number will be divisible by 3. If the sum of the digits will be divisible by 3, so that number will be easily divisible by 3. So I have seen here, first number has been given 51. So if we want to add it, so 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 6 will be easily divisible by 3. You know about that. 3 2s are 6. So it means 51 will be also divisible by 3. Okay. So take here. After that, the second number is 73. The digits here 7 and 3. So when we will add it, 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 10 is not divisible by 3. Okay. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12. So as you see here, as you listen here, 10 has not come in the table of 3, so that number will not be divisible by 3. Okay. Then after that, here another number has been given 127. If we add it, so 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. 10 is also not divisible by 3. It means 127 is not divisible by 3. Clear, students? Then after that, another number has been given 233. If we will add the digits, so we will find out 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 8 is not divisible by 3. It means 233 is not divisible by 3. Okay. Another number has been given 6598. So how can I check it? We will add it. 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. 11 plus 9 is equal to 20. 20 plus 8 is equal to 28. And you know about that 28 is also not divisible by 3. So it means that number 6598 is also not divisible by 3. It means in that numbers only 51 will be divisible by 3. Clear, students? Now students, B part of question number 2. Here it has been given divisible by 9. It means which number has been divisible by 9. So the numbers has been given 98, 123, 162, 540 and 9981. The students, same rule will be applicable here. If the sums of the digit will be divisible by 9, so it means that number will be divisible by 9 in easy way. Okay. So here the first number has been given 98. If we will add it, 9 plus 8, 17. 17 is not divisible by 9. It means 98 will not divisible by 9 also. Okay. Then after that, another number has been given 123. When we will add it, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 6 is not divisible by 9. So it means 123 is not divisible by 9. Okay. Another number is 162. So if we will sum the digits, if we want to find out the sum of the digits, so 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. It means 9 will be divisible by 9. So it means 162 will be divisible by 9. Okay. Then after that, next number is 540. If we will add the digits here, so 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. 9 will be easily divisible by 9. So it means 540 is also divisible by 9. Clear, students? Then after that, the last number has been given 9981. Here the digits has been given 9 plus 9 plus 8 plus 1. So if we want to add it, so how can we will add it? 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. 18 plus 8, 26. 26 plus 1, 27. As you know, 27 is divisible by 9. 9 3s are 27. It means 9981 is also divisible by 9. Clear, students? Any doubt? If you have any doubt, then you can ask the query. Now students, question number 3. In question number 3, it has been given, put a tick on the numbers that are divisible by A.4. It means which number is easily divisible by 4. So number has been given 146, 274, 728, 904, 6500. Okay, students, so listen carefully. So students, I have told to you the method which number is divisible by 4. So here the number has been given 146. remember, listen carefully. If the last two digits will be divisible by 4, so it means that number will be also divisible by 4. So here first number is 146, last two digits are 46. So if we will divide 46 with 4, so 46 will not be divisible by 4. It means 146 is not divisible by 4. Then after that another number is 274. In 274 last two digits are 74. 74 is not divisible by 4. It means 274 is also not divisible by 4. Another number is 728. In 728 the last two digits are 28. So if we want to divide 28, so we can easily divide it. 4 sevens are 28. It means 728 is also divisible by 4. So you can put the tick mark here. Then after that last two digits are 04. 904. The next number is 904, and here the last two digits are 04 and 4. You know about that, it is divisible by 4. 4 ones are 4. So it means 904 is also divisible by 4. Okay. And remember students, here last two digits are 00. Remember students, if the last two digits are 00, so that number will also divisible by 4. So it means 6500 is also divisible by 4. Clear students? If you have any doubt, then you can ask the query. Now B part of this question. Divisible by 6. Numbers has been given 99, 124, 426, 540 and 9982. So students, as you know about that, if any number is divisible by both 2 and 3, so that number is divisible by 6. So here the number is, first number is 99. You know about that, in 99 the ones number is 9, so it is not divisible by 2, so it means 6, it has also not divisible by 6. Okay. Then after that next number is 124. In 124 the ones number is 4. 4 is divisible by 2, so it means 124 is divisible by 2. Now we will check, is 124 is divisible by 3 also or not. So it means we will find out the sum of its digits. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Okay. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. But 7 is not divisible by 3. So it means that number is not divisible by 6. Okay. Now students, the next number is 426. In 426 the last digit is 6. So it means 6 is divisible by 2. So it means 426 is also divisible by 2. So here we want to check that number is divisible by 3 or not. So 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. So it means that number is divisible by 3. 3 4s are 12. It means 426 is also divisible by 6. Okay. Next number is 540. Here one's number is 0. So that number is also divisible by 2. Okay. And the sum of the digit is 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. It means that number is also divisible by 3. So it means the 540 is divisible by 2 and 3 both. So it means it is also divisible by 6. Next number is 9982. One's number is 2. So that number is divisible by 2. So I want to check the divisibility by 3. So 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 8, 26. Okay. 26 plus 2, 28. So that 28 is not divisible by 3. So that number is not divisible by 3. Students, now today's class mein itna hi. Okay. I will provide the homework to all of you. Learn the method regarding the divisibility. It means which number is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. So that will be in your homework. Okay.